Alright, y'all. It's a little COVID-y out here, but I'm just pulling up the Lowe's to get my tools and everything I need to do my bathroom. Hey guys, here I am in my basement bathroom, and I am getting ready to attempt to change my faucet because I had a leak, and I called my plumber in, and my plumber turned off the shutoff valve at the bottom of the sink, and it worked for really a long time, and he said that should hold me until he gets back, but it didn't. It got a little worse, and since we are experiencing COVID at the time, I'm not letting anyone else in. So, I'm going to try to tackle this myself. Okay, so here we have a Moen sink, and I have two, I don't know what they call, coils I call them, 12-inch coils. And I did measure the coils underneath the sink before I went to Lowe's. And this is the stopper, the new stopper for the sink. Okay, first things first, turn off the main water. So, from what I understand, the main water valve is usually near the front of the house because the water usually comes in through the front. And at first I thought it was that one right there. But I soon found out that that was not it, because I turned on my faucets, and when I turned this valve, nothing happened. So that led me to believe that that is the valve to turn off the outside faucet for the hose. So let's see if I can get down here a little further. So when you go back a little further and you look over there, then you see the red shutoff valve. And all I did was turn it to the right, because righty-tighty, we all know that little saying. Righty-tighty means when you turn it to the right, you're tightening up the valve, which is shutting down the water. So that's what I did. And then I waited for all the water in the house to stop dripping, because I turned on all the sinks. This is a good way to blow out your water system too. So I went on and did all the water faucets in the house, turned them on slightly, and now they have all stopped. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bucket underneath, just in case there's some leakage or spillage still in the drain. This is the valve he turned off, which is the hot water valve, and seemed like it just came right back on. I don't quite understand what happened, but we turned them both off. Cold water too. All right, so what I'm going to try to do is take this off. I'm going to use a plier or something to take this off. Okay, so I'm going to take my pliers and work at this bottom nut right here. See if I can loosen it up. Thank goodness. This one was easy. Now I'll just hand unscrew it. Alright, this is a valve socket wrench. Guy in the store told me that this should be able to get that screw off way up underneath the sink by using my hand. to turn it at the bottom. So let's see. So what you want to do is take this, slide up, wait till you feel it around the bulb, and then turn. Bingo! All right. It's off. Okay, after getting the first coil off, I'm going to take notice to how these screws are sitting. It looks like the biggest screw is up toward the sink and the small screw is down toward the shutoff. And that's the way I want to put them back on. Okay, now that I have the other one off, I can get the one closest to the wall off. It's easier this way. Alright, now the next thing is to get this stopper, I don't want to say stopper pulley, get it up and out of the faucet. And you have to go up and you'll see a screw on this piece of metal. Just unscrew it slightly and it'll slide right off. Then you can pull it up. Okay, I know what this is for. I know what this is for, but I don't know what this is about. Those are these two black things to replace that. Alright, I know how to do this. I don't know what this is. It's got something to do with this hole here, I think. Whew. I'm forever trying to do something without reading the instructions, but I think I better go get them. Okay, so at this point, the top of the faucet should be pretty loose, and you just lift it off of the sink. Ew, that looks grungy. Look at that sink. Ugh, yuck. Alright, time to do a little cleaning before the new one is put in place. I'm going to take this top front, set it right there, and then get the faucet. Set it on like so. And the next thing that goes on are these nuts underneath. Alright, I'm going to put this coil, whatever it's called, I don't know, inside of here. And then I'm going to push it up to the sink. Alright, this one is on. Take it off. And then screw this nut into this. Now, I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Okay, they're both on. The nuts are pretty tight, but not too tight. This right here would be where the stopper goes, but I think I'm going to let somebody else handle that. I'm not dealing with this. Nope, nope, nope. I don't think so. Seems to be a bit much for me. I might try it one day. Okay, now I'll go back to the closet to turn the water back on. Oh well. Old drain, but nice faucet. I'll get the job complete soon. Well, all right. Okay. Running water. Hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. And turn it off. No more leaks. I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, whatever you do, don't forget to try, but try things in the safest way possible. And that takes a little investigation. I hope this video was helpful to someone. If it was, leave a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Look, I'm so hyped. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do the stopper on the very next video. See you there. Ooh, look at that fingernail. Ooh, looks pretty bad. Well, anyway, see you next time.